See, there is always a cacophony of noise, and right now it is a little more because of President Trump, who loves to make a different statement every few days. Some people ask me what will he do. I said maybe he also doesn't know what he will do next week. So very hard. And tariffs, of course, there's been bad news on the international side, but in India, GST, which is also a tariff, the news has been better. So it's been a mix. So again, don't just react to news. So consumption has not been just a GST theme. I mean, people started talking of a consumption slowdown about a year ago when the market started to go down. But actually, the consumption slowdown had happened in the previous fiscal year, in 23-24, when no one focused on it. It was at a 21-year low, the private consumption number in the GDP. But no one looked at it because at that time, the market was booming. When the market started to slow down, even though actually consumption had started to accelerate by then, you started talking of a consumption problem. So now, of course, the news has been positive. I mean, of course, nominal GDP growth has not been great, but at least the real growth has been good. The inflation has come down, which actually frees up room in a household budget. So those things are on the margin. Now GST again, while GST changes mean that some of the earnings uptake which would have come in the July to September quarter will get moved ahead, but overall, of course, it's a positive. So in terms of the sectors, pharma and auto components, we've been overweight since beginning of 24. This year we've added FMCG, which you can say is a consumption theme. So that those on the margin things will always change. And one thing true about markets is that themes change, whether it is countries, whether it's asset classes, whether it's industries, or whether it's even investment styles or strategies. Everything goes in and out. So that's to be remembered. But overall, it's not a bad time to be in equities. To the extent of your equity allocation, remain invested. That's my advice. But don't have 100% in equities ever.